everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram storage not loading or glitching. First of all, force close Instagram by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away, then reopen it. Now after that, you're going to switch between networks and also try to find a stable network to join and make sure to rule out network issues. Then go ahead and go to your app store. If nothing works, search for Instagram and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, make sure to update your app. Now if that also does not work, go to your settings app, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, look for Instagram and then click on the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if nothing works, then just go ahead and restart your phone. Safety tip: avoid third-party story viewers, they can cause glitches. Quick fix: log out and back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.